Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. The Jamaica Customs Agency has disclosed that it will be giving exporters preferential treatment in an effort to assist with getting Jamaican goods to overseas markets. Chief Information Officer at the agency, Andre Williams, made the disclosure while indicating that it's a part of an upgrade automation process for export services at the ports.
The Jamaica Customs Agency also is looking at an authorized economic operator program for exporters, or we normally term it as the AEO, and that really is a preferential treatment based on a secure supply chain. That is a service that is currently available on the import side, where we have authorized economic operators. However, the genesis of the program was really geared at exports. And now we're looking into that framework, which of course will allow for the establishment of a trusted supply chain for the faster movement of goods into these markets.
He noted that the Jamaica Agricultural Commodities Regulatory Authority, JACRA, will be one of the first to benefit from the automated services.
And JACRA, as it concerns export, I know that that is one of the major points for persons who are dealing with those products, and those services also will be automated to get the requisite permits for export.
Oil prices climbed today, with U.S. prices settling above $60 for a second straight session. Prices rose as frigid temperatures reduced oil and natural gas production and led to refinery outages in Texas. Now, oil for delivery in March rose $1.09 to settle at $61.14 a barrel. Prices marked another settlement at their highest since January last year. And that's it for the business day. International stories when we return.